Storm Team 8, your most accurate meteorologist using the most advanced radar, live Super Doppler HD, keeping you safe under an umbrella of protection.
Welcome back, everyone. Hope you're having a nice Monday, a chilly one out there, and skies cleared as the day went along, and now generally clear skies for the nighttime hour. We're at 25 degrees, but look at the wind chill, 17. North-northwest winds at 7, and the pressure presently steady. Lincoln Elementary School up in Eagle Grove currently 15. A north-northwest wind at 5, and there feels like temperature at 6 above. As the night goes along, at times, even without a lot of wind, that wind chill will dip down below 0. Forecast lows tonight, 3 Fort Dodge, 12 Lamoni, 5 in Ottumwa. You head to the north where they got the deeper snowpack, 2 below Mason City, 1 below Waterloo, 2 above in Dubuque. So some cold air across northeastern Iowa. And this cold air actually across about the eastern two-thirds of the United States. Look down in Florida. I've been showing this the past couple of days. Winter Haven, not this year. The 29 forecast loads tonight. Freeze warning there. Even West Palm Beach, 31 degrees. You're getting pretty far south in the peninsula there for temperatures below the freezing mark. So cold air across a good portion of the United States. Here's Boone, our webcam at 2:50. The cloud cover moved out and a pretty shot of the sun going down. But again, setting us up for a pretty cold night out there. Infrared satellite picture of the clouds moving out. We did have the flurries earlier in the morning hour, but now all quiet out there as this system is over into the Quebec province of Canada. That's where that low is spinning well off to the east and just kind of feeding in those low clouds. But high pressure in control here, clear in the skies. It's going to settle in over the region, but temperatures will remain below normal. Normally, we should be up in the mid-30s this time of year. So Futurecast, I want to point this out. This is the rain-snow line. The computer model we're using here doesn't really differentiate between the rain and the snow, so just watch this line. It's where the warmer air is out to the west, colder air here. Sunshine ahead for tomorrow across the state. Here's the system Wednesday with sunshine, and then Thursday, this system slides on through. I think we may see some light snow, maybe some flurries with this. It's just showing the warmer air moving in. The system we're keeping an eye on will start to develop out to the west on Friday and slide in here on Saturday. This computer model takes the low across central Missouri and would bring mostly snow to Iowa. So one to keep an eye on as we head into the early part of the weekend. Highs tomorrow, warmer to the southwest, 33 Council Bluffs, but teens Mason City in through Dubuque. Tonight, a low in the metro at 9 degrees, our coldest reading this fall. North winds 3 to 8, wind chills at times just a little bit below 0. Tomorrow, 26 north winds 3 to 8, sunshine with a few clouds. Wednesday, 33. Thursday, warming up. Again, that chance of a flurry, maybe a sprinkle, but a high at 40, it's a thaw. Then Friday, 36 in the system on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on things, 32 degrees with a chance of snow.
Yeah, it's getting cold enough to where when I let my dogs out, they look at me like, are you
They want to come back in?
Yeah, I don't want to go out there.
They sniff the air a little bit.
I don't blame them.
See, they know best.
Yeah, they're smart.